7016 6th Avenue Northwest. The date is July 25th, 2022. I'm making this recording from an access point here in the basement of the home. Recording from this access point here in the basement of the home. We're about 100 some feet or so down the line right now. We're at a large root blockage pretty close to the city main sewer. I've got it located about 8 feet deep, 5 or 6, 7, 8 feet off of the sewer main. So we're in the 6-inch diameter section of line that serves 7016. This is their side sewer. We're going to pull back from this blockage and get a look at this line. Got the footage zeroed out, so we'll get a pretty accurate count on footage here. 6-inch diameter clay sewer line. There's a joint about every 2 feet. Those joints are where the roots grow through. Evidenced right there with a large one. Another root growing in at this point, and that might be our 4-inch by 6-inch diameter transition. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go out and locate this spot out on the property. Got that located about 9-10 feet deep, right at about a roadie, right about the retaining wall, just a few feet back from the retaining wall. And we're going to zero out our footage here and get an idea on the length of the 4-inch diameter line. And so we're back on the property now. We're pulling back kind of along the south side of the home. There's a connection point about 20 feet back off of that 4-inch by 6-inch diameter transition. We're going to pause and locate this spot. Alright, we tested the downspout up at the corner of the house, and it does not seem to be tying into that point. That's the only thing, according to the map, that should be tying in right there. So, let me get that map pulled back up. Alright, continuing the recording, coming back from that point. The turn and kind of a drop in there. I want to test something. I'm going to pause the video and flush a toilet. I want to see what happens. So I just flushed the toilet. That's what you see going by now. So that's the mainline sewer. As we come back, we're just in one of these branch arm connections off of the main sewer right now. So I'm going to pause the video and get a locate on this spot. Alrighty, I've got that located 7-8 feet deep. That is the main sewer trunk arm. This is just a branch arm off of this floor drain that kind of connects to it. I believe it may tie into a downspout. Let me go test something real quick. We're almost done here. Yeah, that looks like what they did. They stubbed this floor drain into the downspout piping. Interesting. Very interesting. Coming up out of that clay. And there you go. That's what I'm making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.